How to fix Facebook it's not compatible with this on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open your Facebook, then you will go directly to apps, and on apps guys, you will just square down and search for Facebook. Then when you will find Facebook, just open it and square down and go to storage, and on storage go to clear data and click on clear data, then click OK, and that's it. Your problem will fixed very well. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.